Roatan, Honduras, is a tropical paradise packed with unforgettable experiences for every traveler. Start your adventure at Mahogany Bay Cruise Center, where a private beach, sky chair rides, and local shops make your first steps on the island truly special. For sun, sand, and crystal clear waters, West Bay Beach offers some of the Caribbean's most beautiful shoreline. Perfect for swimming, snorkeling, or simply relaxing under swaying palms. Nature lovers will be enchanted by Mayan Eden Park, where playful monkeys, lush gardens, and jungle trails create an interactive wildlife experience. Hidden gems await on the Oakridge tour, with scenic drives, exotic birds, and panoramic views of the island and Caribbean waters. For adventure seekers, the Odyssey wreck dive lets divers explore 6 floors of a ship teeming with coral and tropical fish. The Roatan Butterfly Garden dazzles with vibrant species and tropical wildlife, while a water taxi from West End to West Bay offers a picturesque island-hopping experience. Finally, Dolphin encounters at Anthony's Key Resort, whether through a family-friendly excursion or an underwater dive, provide magical memories for all ages. Number 9. Mahogany Bay Cruise Center, Gateway to Roatan. Mahogany Bay Cruise Center is the perfect introduction to the beauty of Roatan. Designed as a lively hub for cruise visitors, this port offers a blend of convenience, entertainment, and island charm the moment you step off the ship. The centerpiece is a private beach, just a short walk, or a quick ride on the magical sky chair, away. With soft white sand, crystal clear water, and plenty of loungers, it's an ideal spot to relax under the Caribbean sun. For those seeking adventure, the cruise center connects you to a variety of excursions, from snorkeling vibrant reefs and ziplining through lush forests to exploring Roatan's cultural sites. Back at the port, you'll find colorful shops, duty-free stores, and local craft markets where you can pick up souvenirs and handmade goods. Restaurants and bars serve fresh seafood and tropical drinks, making it easy to soak in the island atmosphere. Mahogany Bay truly is the gateway to all that Roatan has to offer. Number 8. Exploring West Bay Beach, Roatan's top beach destination. West Bay Beach in Roatan is often described as one of the most beautiful beaches in the entire Caribbean. And it's easy to see why. With its powdery white sand, turquoise waters, and swaying palm trees, this stretch of paradise is perfect for anyone looking to relax or dive into adventure. The calm, crystal-clear water makes it ideal for swimming and snorkeling. Just steps from the shore, you'll discover colorful coral reefs teeming with tropical fish, making it one of the best spots on the island for underwater exploration. For those who prefer staying on land, beachside restaurants and bars offer fresh seafood, local flavors, and refreshing drinks with stunning ocean views. Whether you're renting a lounge chair, joining a water sports excursion, or simply soaking in the island vibes, West Bay Beach delivers an unforgettable experience. From sunrise walks to breathtaking sunsets, this destination captures the very essence of Roatan's tropical charm. Number 7. Mayan Eden Park, a paradise for monkeys. Mayan Eden Park in Roatan is a tropical sanctuary where nature, wildlife, and adventure come together. The highlight of this eco-park is the chance to meet playful monkeys up close. These curious and friendly creatures often climb onto visitors' shoulders, making for unforgettable encounters and plenty of photo opportunities. As you explore the park, you'll also find lush botanical gardens filled with vibrant tropical plants, colorful butterflies, and exotic birds. Suspension bridges and jungle trails lead you deeper into the forest, offering both adventure and stunning views. Along the way, knowledgeable guides share stories about the local wildlife, the importance of conservation, and the cultural history of the area. Mayan Eden Park isn't just about monkeys. It's about experiencing Roatan's natural beauty in a unique and interactive way. Whether you're walking through the gardens, snapping photos of exotic animals, or enjoying the peaceful jungle surroundings, This park is an absolute must for nature lovers and families alike. Number 6. Roatan Oakridge Tour. The Oakridge Tour in Roatan offers a unique opportunity to explore one of the island's lesser-known treasures. Nestled away from the beaches, Oakridge combines lush tropical landscapes with a rich glimpse into local culture and history. The tour typically begins with a scenic drive through the island's interior, where you'll pass vibrant villages, fruit plantations, and rolling hills covered in tropical foliage. Guides share fascinating stories about Roatan's history, from colonial times to the modern-day island lifestyle, giving visitors a deeper understanding of the area. At Oakridge, trails wind through dense forest, offering chances to spot exotic birds, butterflies, and other wildlife. Scenic viewpoints provide breathtaking panoramas of the island and surrounding Caribbean waters, perfect for photos and soaking in the natural beauty. Whether walking the trails, learning about local traditions, or simply enjoying the peaceful surroundings, the Oakridge Tour is a must-do for travelers seeking adventure, culture, and a quieter side of Roatan. Number 5. Wreck Dive in Roatan. Explore all 6 floors of the Odyssey. Diving the Odyssey shipwreck in Roatan is an underwater adventure like no other. This 6-floor cargo vessel, deliberately sunk to create a reef, now teems with marine life and offers divers a unique opportunity to explore history beneath the waves. As you descend, the massive structure comes into view, its decks and compartments providing a maze of exploration. Schools of tropical fish dart in and out of portholes, while colorful corals and sponges cling to the ship, turning it into a vibrant underwater habitat. Experienced scuba guides lead divers safely through the wreck, highlighting areas of interest and sharing fascinating stories about the ship's past. Whether you're a seasoned diver or looking for a thrilling new challenge, exploring all 6 floors of the Odyssey is both exciting and visually stunning. Every corner offers a new perspective, making this wreck dive in Roatan an unforgettable experience for adventure seekers and underwater photographers alike. Number 4. Roatan Butterfly Garden. The Roatan Butterfly Garden is a hidden gem that brings you up close to the island's most colorful and delicate residents. Nestled in a lush tropical setting, this enchanting garden is home to dozens of butterfly species, each fluttering gracefully among vibrant flowers and greenery. Walking through the garden feels like stepping into a living rainbow, with butterflies landing gently on plants, and sometimes even on you. Beyond the butterflies, the garden also showcases other native wildlife, including exotic birds, iguanas, and tropical plants that make the experience even richer. Informative displays and friendly guides share fascinating details about the life cycle of butterflies and the importance of conservation, making the visit both fun and educational. Whether you're exploring with family, taking photos of the breathtaking colors, or simply enjoying a peaceful stroll surrounded by nature, the Roatan Butterfly Garden offers a magical escape. It's a must-visit spot for anyone wanting to experience the quieter, natural side of Roatan. Number 3. Exploring Roatan by water taxi. West End to West Bay adventure. One of the most scenic ways to explore Roatan is by hopping on a water taxi from West End to West Bay. This short ride offers stunning views of the turquoise Caribbean waters, swaying palm trees, and colorful coastal villages along the way. The water taxis are a convenient and affordable way to travel, making it easy to hop between 2 of Roatan's most popular destinations. As you glide across the calm sea, keep an eye out for local wildlife like seabirds, and sometimes even playful fish jumping near the boat. Arriving in West Bay, the famous white sand beaches and crystal-clear waters are just steps away, perfect for snorkeling, swimming, or relaxing under a palm tree. Meanwhile, West End offers lively shops, restaurants, and cultural experiences, that give a taste of island life.
Number 2. Roatan Dolphin Excursion. Family-friendly adventure. Crystal clear waters, playful dolphins, and an unforgettable family adventure await on the Roatan Dolphin Excursion. This experience is more than just a swim. It's an opportunity to interact up close with some of the ocean's most intelligent and fascinating creatures. Located at Anthony's Key Resort, the excursion begins with an introduction to dolphin behavior, where trainers share insights about their care and communication. Then, step into the water for a once-in-a-lifetime encounter. You'll get to splash, play, and even pose for photos with these incredible marine animals. Kids and adults alike will love the chance to touch and interact with dolphins in their natural lagoon environment. Beyond the excitement, the excursion is also educational, promoting conservation and respect for marine life. Whether you're traveling with little ones or simply looking to check this off your bucket list, the Roatan Dolphin Excursion delivers memories you'll treasure forever. Number 1. Roatan Dolphin Dive Experience. Imagine diving into the crystal-clear waters of Roatan and coming face-to-face with some of the ocean's most intelligent and playful creatures. The Roatan Dolphin Dive is more than just an excursion. It's an unforgettable underwater experience that lets you share the sea with dolphins in their natural environment. Guided by professional trainers and dive experts, this adventure begins with a quick orientation before slipping beneath the surface to explore the vibrant marine world.